Hello friends, the tension between Russia and Ukraine continues to rise each day. 3 Ukrainian soldiers were moving toward a UAV control center, unaware of a Russian drone positioned on the roof in ambush. Russian UAV operators then struck locations used by Ukrainian forces to control UAVs in Yurzinsk and Harovka. Numerous positions were neutralized during the strikes, including operational shelters. In this sequence, Russian FPV drone operators are shown preparing their equipment with meticulous precision. One drone is positioned on a metal sheet, held in a ready state, awaiting the moment of activation. As Ukrainian military trucks approach, the drone lifts off, tracking a vehicle towing a howitzer. The footage emphasizes the patience and discipline of the operators, waiting for the exact moment to reveal their presence. Moments later, additional Russian FPV drones enter the battle space, conducting broad surveillance operations. Their cameras capture the movement of multiple trucks, documenting the convoy's progress and exposing its vulnerabilities. The sudden surge of drone activity is portrayed as deliberate and coordinated, designed to unsettle Ukrainian forces on the front line. The narration underscores the tactical intent behind these maneuvers. Drones are not only weapons but also instruments of observation, capable of fixing enemy movements and shaping the rhythm of combat. By combining stealth, timing, and mass deployment, Russian operators demonstrate how unmanned systems can dominate the battle space, forcing adversaries into reactive positions. From the Russian perspective, the footage illustrates the growing sophistication of drone warfare, where readiness, surveillance, and sudden activation converge to create both psychological shock and operational advantage. The surprise of Ukrainian forces is framed as evidence of the effectiveness of these tactics, reinforcing the narrative of Russian dominance in unmanned engagements. A Russian FPV drone detected a Ukrainian pickup truck during reconnaissance. Most personnel managed to exit the vehicle in a state of panic, except for 2 soldiers who remained inside. Krasnoarmeysk direction. An HMMWV equipped with an electronic warfare system was neutralized. The soldiers inside the vehicle spotted the FPV drone too late, and some exited after it was too late. The high-speed FPV drone struck the armored vehicle, causing it to catch fire. The footage shows FAB 500 munitions being deployed on the command center of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 425th Independent Airborne Brigade near the village of Krasnoarsko. 2 Ukrainian vehicles advanced into Russian positions and were observed in Novogrigorivka. Units affiliated with the Eastern Military Group repelled an attack in the northwestern sector due to significant losses among armored vehicles. The opposing command attempted to deploy mobile units using motorized vehicles, resulting in severe operational setbacks for another group. Ukrainian Armed Forces UAV control point in Stavki was destroyed using Molia missiles. UAV operators from Russia's 45th Airborne Brigade, part of the 144th Motorized Rifle Division, employed both Molia and FPV drones to strike and eliminate a complex UAV control hub belonging to Ukraine's 60th Airborne Brigade on the outskirts of Stavki. Leopard tank destroyed despite hiding in forest. Russian FPV drone strikes a Ukrainian tank concealed near Konstantinovka in Donetsk, exposing the limits of camouflage under precision surveillance. Russian Faggot ATGM crew lands a direct hit on a Ukrainian convoy, destroying an armored vehicle and a pickup with infantry in a precise, coordinated strike. Four Ukrainian infantrymen were detected by a Russian FPV drone while moving through open ground. Searching desperately for cover, they entered a small structure near a cemetery, but their movements had already been tracked. Moments later, the drone operators launched multiple precision strikes, Explosions tore through the building, reducing it to rubble, leaving no place to hide. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. November 7th, 2025, as shown in the footage, soldiers of the 218th Guards Tank Regiment, part of the 127th Division of the 5th Army in the Eastern Group, are advancing under cold conditions. Despite the need to engage immediately after crossing the river, they move as stealthily as possible, crossing the Yenshur River on foot through challenging terrain. In the following footage, Primorsky soldiers, moving under the cover of drones, reach the southwestern outskirts of the settlement and advance through it. The infantry of the 218th Guards Tank Regiment demonstrated that, even on foot, they could maneuver through enemy defenses with efficiency comparable to a tank company. In the area of responsibility of Vosto units, a settlement is considered secured only when the enemy has been fully expelled and Russian forces have established defensive positions to guard against possible counterattacks. Footage shows a Garin drone conducting a precision strike on the 154 kilobyte substation in Zaporizhia, targeting critical infrastructure to disrupt enemy operations. During a reconnaissance mission, Russian forces located a Ukrainian drone control station. Drone equipment was discovered inside residential buildings, while the operators were sheltering in the basement and using it to manage drone operations. The position was subsequently destroyed by Russian drones. In the Kupiansk skies, a Russian Kamov Ka-52 attack helicopter becomes the hunted. Ukrainian FPV drones close in, forcing the gunship to maneuver under relentless pressure. Defensive systems flare, operators strain to evade, and the aircraft twists through evasive arcs. Despite the hostile advance, the Ka-52 shows resilience, maintaining control, executing survival maneuvers, and finally captured at the moment of impact. The footage reveals the helicopter descending, its crew relying on ejection systems that function as designed. Russian reporting frames this as proof of durability, a machine enduring multiple threats before succumbing, and pilots displaying skill under extreme duress. Yet the subsequent scenes tell another story, additional Ukrainian drones striking the landing zone, underscoring the persistence of unmanned tactics and the peril awaiting crews even after escape.